Happy holidays, everyone. Now, if you're like me, and your body's currently 70% ham and 30% queso de bola, then this video is for you. We are hitting that reset button for some classic Pinoy dish called Sinigang na Hipon. That's right. That signature sour broth is exactly what we need to wake up our palates and recover from the holiday festivities. So let's get some soup in our system, shall we? Stick around and I'll show you how to make them. Let's get started. Alright folks, for today's ingredients, we'll be using some chopped garlic, onions, and tomatoes. We'll use MSG for umami. Our souring ingredient would be tamarind soup mix here, or sinigang sa sampalok. And we'll use some ground black pepper, fish sauce for flavor, a little bit of olive oil, and we'll use some pechay or bok choy as far as our veggies. And the main ingredient will be whole shrimps. This is about a pound of whole shrimps, cleaned and deveined. So let's do this. Alrighty folks, let's get started here. So here we have a pot with boiling water here, probably about 1.5 liters. All right. When you're cooking sinigang na hipon or shrimp in sour soup, you don't want to have too much water on it because you want to taste the shrimp itself. All right. I know some are tempted to put too much water in it that way because sabaw pa nga lang ulam na. I know that, but in this case, you want to taste the shrimp as well. So I'm using a small pot here. I pre-boiled the water. All right, it's now in rolling boil, and then we'll now add our aromatics here. Simple and easy recipe, folks. All right, add our aromatics there. And I think this one jumped on me. We're just gonna wait until this softens up, okay? Probably about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, we're gonna boil this up until it releases all its flavors. From here, we can also add some fish sauce for flavor. We'll adjust later on if we need to. Fresh ground black pepper. You know me, the more the merrier, but that's totally up to you. Okay. And just a bit of olive oil. Okay. That's right. Now let's just wait until this boils up. Until our veggies are all softened up, or aromatics are all softened up, and then we'll come back and then flavor it again, see where we at, and then we can now add the shrimp. I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. All right, folks, let's go back here. About 10 minutes in, let's check on our aromatics, see if they're all cooked up now. Pretty much we want to get it to soft to mushy conditions or mushy consistency, and we seem to have to achieve that. All right, lower temperature to at least medium. Let's flavor this up with our sinigang mix. depending on how you like it, all right? Some people want it to be less sour, but me, I'm on the sour side, all right? I like mine on the sour side. So that's totally up to you. How you want your sinigang to taste like. We're looking for sour, salty balance and umami as well. All right. Well, before we do that, I want to add some more fresh ground black pepper on mine. And let's give this a taste. See where we at. Definitely on the sour side there. I need some more of the fish sauce here. Another tablespoon, I guess. Bit more. Like I said, I like mine on the sour side. All right. See, this gives you time to taste your soup or your base before actually adding in the shrimp. That way, the shrimp is ready to soak up all that yum flavors. Ah, lovely. Let's now add our shrimp. There you go. Probably gonna take about 5 minutes. No more, no less. I'll show you what it looks like when we come back. All right, about 3 to 5 minutes in, folks. Let's go back, check on this shrimp that we added here, the soup. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Wow. Let's try this and see where we at as far as the taste. That's delicious. Wow. You can taste the shrimp. Again, a little more sourness to it. Just me. Just for me, folks. That's how we wanted it. But again, if you want it less sour, that's totally up to you. You can adjust. All right. Let's add in a little bit of umami there. All right, a dash or two. Wow, 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 wow. Now we can now dunk in our veggies, which is the bok choy. You have too many options that you can put. It's up to you if you want to add other stuff here as far as veggies, like your sitaw or string beans, your okra, also radish. It's totally up to you. I'll settle for simple, just bok choy. Oops. All right. All right. Let's bring that to a boil, and we should be done here, folks. Wow. Wow. All right. But there you have it, folks. Sinigang na hipon, or shrimp in sour soup. Thank you for watching, and until we cook again.